the gap between education and the real world is a critical issue. Here at We Connect the Dots, we bridge that gap by providing students with the STEAM skills and experiential learning they need to thrive in today's workforce. We recently saw this in action at our latest hackathon. It was incredible to watch the students move beyond the classroom to collaborate, innovate, and build real-world tech solutions under pressure. It proved that when they have the right environment, they don't just learn, they lead.
I joined this hackathon from India. I was part of Team Recycle Drive, where I had worked with 3 other team members coming from diverse backgrounds. And we chose to work on the problem of recycling, as we felt that this was the need of the hour, as waste management is a serious challenge faced across many parts of the world. Our project was aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 12, responsible consumption and production. We felt a strong responsibility to develop something that creates a long-lasting impact.
Our new website serves as a digital foundation for our mission. By streamlining access to our resources and programs, students can seamlessly connect with mentors to turn vision into reality. It's more than just a platform. It's a powerful tool designed to ensure every aspiring innovator has the resources they need to succeed.
Welcome to the new digital home for We Connect the Dots. This isn't just a website. It's a direct reflection of our mission in action. Now, why exactly is it so special? It was designed and built by our very own CAP members. Our students use the STEAM skills that we teach to help build this platform from the ground up. From streamlined program access to workforce resources, this site is the ultimate tool for future innovators to find their path and start building their future.
Now, we're looking for visionary partners to help us scale this impact throughout the year. By sponsoring We Connect the Dots, you aren't just making a donation. You are directly fueling the next generation of your industry's talent pipeline. Let's connect the dots together, reach out to discuss how we can build the future of STEAM.